Welcome back to the channel. Before we get started, I want to give a huge thank you to all my new subscribers to this channel. Thank you so much. That means the world to me. If you guys are new, welcome. And go ahead and subscribe. Why not, right? All right, so let's get to this subject. Today, the subject is how to get good at Taekwondo. So us veterans of martial arts, and you know who you are, right? The gritty, hardcore martial arts that have been in it for years. We all know how to do this, right? We all know how to get good at Taekwondo or your main style. I feel it all works the same, whether it's Taekwondo or a different style. But today, since I am a Taekwondo guy, I'll just talk about Taekwondo, and then you guys can roll this over into your styles. But this video is going to target more of the newer martial artists, the ones that want to learn so bad, but just get flooded with a lot of material that a lot of it's gonna go in one ear and out the other, and you're not going to pick it up until like years and years and years later down the road. Then you'll start picking some of this stuff up and you start remembering, oh, I do remember that. I didn't get it back then, but now I do because I've gotten years under my belt and I understand the martial arts and Taekwondo a bit better. So what we're going to talk about today is what I would probably talk to my first students about, and that is a hand-foot timing process, or a twist and punch, or a chamber and kick process. It's just the timing of your techniques, whether it's a block, whether it's a punch, a strike, kick, same thing. We need to know how to move our body like a whip to generate the energy from the floor or from the ground into our target. Okay, so this is what the floor drills are. Okay, so I'm going to do a quick, just a step and punch, hand foot timing, just real quick. So I'm going to start off with my left, your guys' right in the screen, and then I'm going to put an aim. Just because right now, if we are new, then the aim is going to be important, so you can actually, your actual punch will land on pretty much the aiming hand or the aiming arm. It'll just give you a little bit better understanding of not just, punching all over the place, but there is a direction and there is a pinpoint target that we do need to hit, which is going to be our shadow head figure. Okay, that we're kind of punching in front of us. All right, so it's just going to be pretty easy. So feet parallel, shoulder width apart, nothing real too crazy about this. Aim with your left, my right, and then we're going to step out and punch with our right hand. And then our chamber position, of course, palm up, right in our armpit. Now we're just going to step into a front stance, or just step into a stance and then punch. Okay, let's do it again. Ready, and punch. Okay, now the key thing here is make sure the foot and the punch are land at the same time. Okay, so that is a very important aspect of the Taekwondo style, is this hand-foot timing process that happens very early in martial arts journeys. We teach this from like first class on up, so this should be your first technique or your first understanding of Taekwondo. And how to get good at it is the hand, foot, or the hand, elbow strike, block, same thing. It's just foot, arm timing. foot arm timing, right? And then you can even do it down the floor. I have a couple videos on this, my early videos, just punching down the floor, just like that, okay? So pretty simple. If you have any questions, go ahead and comment down below. Here's the second one. Okay, now we're gonna do kicks. I'm gonna just do a nice, easy front kick. And right here, there's really no, the timing doesn't really need to be there with this one because it's not a hand foot thing. It's just going to be the foot, but what I'm going to concentrate is the keeping yourself balanced so you're not falling into your kick as you're trying to stretch out for your target. You're going to have good balance and then a step down, okay? So again, we'll do it on this side, and I'm doing my left foot. You can do your right foot, whatever dominant one you're on. Just hands up, just nice and loose. You don't need to be really, stressed out and tensioned with the hands. Just kind of keep them up. And then when you kick, it's a lift up, chamber, kick, re-chamber, down. Down, just like that, okay? So here it is in front of you. So I'm just gonna do my same leg. So chamber, kick, re-chamber, down. See, now my balance is bad on my right side because I could balance a little bit, but since my disability, I can't move my toes or my ankles. So you should get this really quick, better than I can. But I'll just go ahead, I'll balance on my good foot, and then I'll just go ahead and kick with my bad, so you guys get a little bit better picture of the balance part of it here, okay? So now I'm gonna do a number 2 front kick, which number 2 is gonna be the back of the foot, okay, or the back leg coming to the front leg. This is considered a number 2 front kick, all right? Okay, so here we go. So just hands up here. Just go ahead and mirror me. Well, you guys are going to be doing your right. You guys are going to be doing your right. I'll be doing my right, but it'll be opposite on the screen. So just go ahead and make sure that you guys understand that there, okay? Okay, so hands up. First, you're going to just knee up. Make sure you're balanced, and then make sure that your chest is straight, your head's up, and then your hands are here. Chamber, kick, re-chamber, and then down. Okay, so here it is again. Chamber, kick, re-chamber, down. Okay, one more. Chamber, kick, re-chamber, down. Just like that. Okay, so those are my 2 main things that I'm going to be teaching from the very first class on down the road with Taekwondo training and the journey of new students. Okay, so go ahead, work on those 2 if you want. Just the hand-foot timing, whether you want to do a punch, whether you want to do a spear hand, whether you want to do, knife hand, a block, inner forearm block, outer forearm block. If you guys have gotten up to those techniques, go ahead and do that. But the hand-foot timing and the balance and the kick, chamber, kick, re-chamber, down are the fundamentals of Taekwondo. And you will start with those and you will finish with those. And that will be the foundation of a couple other key points to Taekwondo and getting good at Taekwondo. But let's start off with those 2. And if you have any questions, guys, go ahead and comment down below. And like and subscribe. Until next time, guys, train hard, train smart. See you then.